just walked out here. Like, I crap you not, I haven't even been in my room an hour. And it was kind of snowing a little bit. And it looks like it's all over the roads. Shoot. Oh, crap. Crap, guys. Yeah, look at it outside. Ah! It's already started. And I thought it wasn't supposed to start till this afternoon. This is BS. I've been lied to. Ugh. Oh my god, I'm not feeling this right now. Yeah. It's winter, guys. First real winter storm of the season. Woo! Good god. I don't know what to do, guys. I have a headache. Yeah. Alright, okay. So, it's gonna be our day today. Hopefully I can go to work, because, yeah, I'm supposed to get paid today. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, time to bundle up, take the dogs outside to go potty. Wish me luck. Alright guys, we've ventured out. It is 29 degrees according to my phone. And oh, it is snowing to beat hell. Welcome to Michigan. So, little man, look at all this snow on the ground. Yesterday, if you guys remember, I showed you guys there was barely any snow left. Now, it's about 9:11 right now, and it is disgusting out. And they said this wasn't supposed to start till about the afternoon, so I thought it'd be okay to go to work. This is bullcrap. There's Snippy's. He's so excited. He's so excited! I don't know what to do with him sometimes. Alright, I will see you guys in a little bit. It is, ugh. I don't think we're gonna stay out here very long. Okay, Shamps? It's the snow dog run! What's that? What is that? Is that your ball? Is that your ball? Okay. He is, I don't think he's the only dog in the world that likes snow, but good God, he likes snow way too much. I mean, I like snow, but come on, dude. Okay, so you ready? So you ready for this? You're not ready for this pain. Okay. Oh my God, guys. Oh. Just 10 minutes of being outside with Schnapps, and I froze my butt off. So today, other than work if I even go, it's probably going to be a good day for just sitting around drinking hot cocoa or coffee and reading or watching a movie, which I probably will watch a couple Christmas movies today. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, I will see you guys in a little bit. Stay warm if you're in Michigan, and stay safe also if you're in Michigan. Oh, those roads look nasty. I did see a few salt trucks, so hopefully, I don't know, because I know the dogs that I go and check on, their road is always the last, because they're like out in the middle of nowhere, outside of Middleville, and it's just, oh, we'll see. Alright, see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it that time of night. So, it's still snowing here, so everybody who lives in Michigan, if you're driving right now, make sure you guys stay safe, and yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, press that like button at the bottom. My Instagram and Snapchat usernames will be in the description box down below. Go give those a follow. Also, make sure that you guys subscribe to the Cats Sid Vicious and Nancy for some cute holiday kitty videos coming soon. Also, if you guys are planning on donating or volunteering for the holiday season, I suggest that you guys volunteer or donate to either your local animal shelter or rescue and adopt. Don't shop. Love you guys.